Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Pisces. This reading includes your all the 4 weeks of November and okay, wow, oh my god, okay. So let's see what cards have to say for your month. All right, so this is your energy this week. That is Five of Pentacles reversed. I see a situation here, either a health situation or a monetary situation, which is creating argument between you and your partner. You had planned something else, but things are not happening. Maybe because of either your reckless attitude or your partner's reckless attitude. Somebody is not well, either you or your partner, and you have been spending a lot of money on your health, and that is making both of you little unhappy and might be creating little bit of arguments. Moving towards the first week, cards are Star reverse, Two of Cups reverse, the Moon. I see a lot of fights happening in the first week. You people had wished for something and that did not happen, as I just said. It could be related to uh, some something that you did which was careless, and it has led you to in bad health or bad financial decisions. So things did not happen, that just and because of that you people are so dissatisfied and angry with each other that you might end up fighting with each other. So I would suggest lot of things are misunderstandings. Lot of things can be can actually be done in a right way. Rather than fighting, you can just sit down, talk to each other, find out the solution to your problem, and things will start working in your favor. But if you're not able to do that, things will become dirty. So before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The other week cards are Three of Swords reversed, Five of Wands reversed, and Knight of Wands. Same thing I see here. I think again the third party situation. It is the situation that you had created, but same thing. First week is going to go into a lot of fights, but a lot of things are there which are basically just your illusion, not true. And the moment you realize that it is not one person's fault and we can still make things okay, the things will start healing. The conflicts that you were having with each other, with other people in the house, or even within yourself, they will also start getting resolved. Things will start moving slowly and steadily, and you will start working towards a better future. And if it is a health issue, you will definitely start feeling much better by the second week of November. The third week says Hermit reverse, Eight of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles. Sorry. So this is showing me that you have been in a very painful situation. This is also here, same here, and you were just fighting within yourself. You had lot of things, lot of uh, you know ideas, and lot of you are an intelligent person, you understand situation, you're a wise person, but unfortunately you were just keeping everything inside. So by this week I feel that you will start coming out, you will start showing your intelligence to other people, and you will start putting it into the efforts and helping out others where they can actually feel good about things. Your main aim is to get your happy family back. There have been certain losses, especially related to finances, and by third week I see this coming up. But yes, it is not going to be easy. There could be some pain behind it. You have to fight this pain. There could be some there could be lack of clarity. You have to be clear when you are doing anything. Whatever you do, just be careful, it should be fair. Don't go for unfair means of getting your money back. Moving towards the fourth week, it is the King of Swords reverse, Ace of Pentacles, and Five of Swords reverse. So I see a good opportunity